what have you do with your boy? I'm back again another banger. So guys, yeah, today y'all saw the title. So guys, spend the day with me. Yeah, the level. So yeah, guys, as I promised y'all on the previous video, every single time I'm gonna put a nice comment on the screen. So this time, here's the comment. The level. So y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and leave y'all's post notifications on so that y'all can get notified. So yeah guys, right now we're into the car. Let's go to the detail lab, the lab. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned. The pole to my bro, we're going to my friend right now. We're just gonna see him, and see what we're gonna do. The course of the day, the life, guys.
Turn left
So yeah,
M40 towards Winberg.
So yeah, guys, let's see. What's the level? guys, yeah, like we made it to the place. Hey, places that you go to at this cage, you know the love. So yeah, guys, right now I'm just gonna wait for the Buela. The thing is that I came here for him, but like Jiki is not here, and like he's not answering his call. The things that you do for y'all, Jins, huh? Y'all must know that sometimes y'all are doing us dirty. But yeah, we at this place. It's a college. What something college. Yeah. So we're just gonna wait for him. Hopefully he's gonna be done soon, because right now it's quiet, yo. And I don't know if this is the college or that's the college, because like there's two places, like it's here and like there. Y'all traveling. So I don't know if like I even parked on the right spot. What's the worst case scenario? It's me getting clamped. But how are they gonna clamp if I'm in the car? They have to come and ask me first. But look, oh guys, there's like some hot mummies here. Hey guys, I don't do those things. I'm a child of God. Yeah, I know the level. But yeah, let's see what you can do. I was reading this. He just sent a text. I'll put the text here because I know y'all wanna see it. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. So yeah, guys, my brother just came back. He came. Let's see how's the lab. You know, the lab. Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess things that you do for content is crazy. This nowadays. Crazy. Always. Get my people.
Hey yo, sanmonani dumelang absheni dinsang. Re kaofela mo se re dance. Re more ba fethu ons practice always ba fethu peace and love. Ivale tana.
Always. So yeah, guys. So yeah, we will see what's the level after here. But otherwise, yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, support the boy. And yeah, guys, bigger things are coming. Even now, we're trying to do something. Just gonna chill. We see what's the level, guys. Yeah, stay tuned. Guys, like, yeah, it's still like pushing life in the hardest way, man. Like, I feel like I have to like get someone like a passenger princess. Yeah, it's time.
Yeah, but it's not khatse to dula Francis. Mfana ka le yena man. Escape passenger princess, escape followers, escape all of them, escape friends. That's for my boy, man, guys. That's for my boy. I don't see no. I'm a married man. Wanna know her name?
Nah, don't mention your girlfriend. Yeah.
Start with a C. It's an A. Her IG handle is a B. Not an handle, IG handle. Yeah.
Handle.
IG handle, bro. IG handle is a B, bro. I'm a married man, so shout out to that buffet to me. Loyally, you know.
What does the B stand for?
The B.
You know what's the B mean?
Nigga, she's B, bro. She's gonna get a lot of followers if I say her name, man. So yeah.
I'm happy that she has IG.
She has IG.
Hey, can I see her IG?
You wanna see her IG?
Yeah.
Her name is B. like react and
can I
ask.
see the IG?
Nah, I want the followers to ask.
Guys, if I get the handle, I'll put it here. Ne?
Yeah.
If it's not there, just know okay. Also, me I didn't get it, but otherwise, I'll make your plan. I'll know the level. Like, I'll make your plan. So, Baba, you're going back then.
Yeah, we're going back there.
Yes.
Guys, if you're on the IG handle, yeah, like, comment, share, follow my boy, share, follow. Subscribe.
Guys.
English bundles are depleting and so yeah, isingisi bafethu ama bundles akhona hamba ngalinethe kuyakudala ayikhumbula i8 ayibambi kahle manje bafethu sikufunction abo.
How did I end up in Joburg CBD? Like serious, you know, like guys, the things that I do for y'all, man, for those gents, it's crazy, no cap. You look beautiful.
Uthi muhle siswami.
Muhle.
Ukhuluma isingisi lo mfana.
Oh.
What thank you? Awu wathi thank you. Vele siyabonga masithu sale kahle.
Wait, there's two that side.
Yeah.
Sure.
Nah, there ain't no stupid connections, but only if you are disciplined, you are well behaved, you love people, people also love you.
Holy
Why are you scratching the front? What? Yeah, scratch on the front. Maragi, I scratch on too bad, I know.
Even
Are you serious right now, bro?
Even who?
I'm not allowed to stop here.
Right now, what's this? We're doing things now. Right now, my car is child, guys. My car is child. So yeah, guys, right now I just dropped off my Bruella. Yeah, we're heading back home. It was a good day in the morning. Now my thought let it go. It hurts. At the end of the day, it's plastic. So, what do you expect? But it hurts, sure. Yeah, but let me put back here. Yeah, so yeah, at the end of the day, it hurts. But just buy another one. Oh, what's happening here? Looks like a bus lead. This place is weird, yo. Like, honestly speaking, the driving here is not make sure. If you don't know how to drive, you call him parents. Guys, the red, I'm a fan of the red. That's why even now I wanna go with the red one. So guys, stay tuned. Next video is gonna be me trying to remove this with the lamp. Can I like, share, comment, subscribe, and leave your